So let's get started. First of all, fold the origami into 4 folds like folding a handkerchief. And then fold the square into a triangle and repeat on the other side. Now unfold everything. This work is going to make lines to fold the rows. And put a corner toward yourself. Can you see this cross here? Then fold a corner up to the middle of this cross. And unfold. Repeat the same on all the other corners. Put the last part on the upper right and put a bottom line towards yourself. And then fold this corner up to this line. Match this corner and this corner, and fold like this. Put the bottom line toward yourself. Fold this corner up to top line. And fold like this, match this corner and this corner. Fold this corner to top line and fold like this. Rotate this and open here. Can you see this square? Fold to bottom line down like matching this square and this one. Fold one piece up to top line. And now turn it over. Fold here and fold like this. Rotate this and repeat 4 times. The last part, you have to unfold the first one. And put it back. And then fold along this line and 4 times. It is the last part. Turn it over and fold these corners. And turn it over again. And origami roses is done. I decorated them on shikishi. Thanks for watching.